Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can enhance your photo. I'm going to use these tools, pretty simple, just within a few minutes you can do this very easily. It's called flexclip.com. So visit their website flexclip.com.tools and scroll down and you will find you can see AI image upscaler, enhance photo quality and increase the image resolution. So click on that. Okay, so I'm going to show you the real project. Okay guys, so this is the image. As you can see, it's not clear and I want to enhance this image. Okay, so let's do it. So upload this image. It's pretty simple, so you can just drag and drop or you can select the file overall. You will see one options over there, like you can see upscale the size. Okay, so increase it at least 4x. That will be great because it will increase your image resolution. Okay, and this is the sample guys. You can upload your product photo, your different kind of images that you love to post and your old photo. Okay, it's time to generate the image. Okay, so click on here, generate. So within few seconds it will come up here the final results and I will show you. Perfect guys, and our image is ready. So here you can see this is the difference. Okay, this is after and the real image is this one. Okay, so this is the real image before and you can see this is the after. Okay, that's mean after the enhance the photo. Okay, pretty simple, and you can download this photo. Just click on here download button. It will download it into your device and you can use. Alright guys, so this is very powerful tool, flexclip.com. just use these tools, and in the next video I will show you how you can enhance your product video. That's mean if you are running a e-commerce business and maybe you have different kind of product images, so how you can do this. Pretty simple, just follow these steps. I can do this very easily. So I will show you in the next tutorials also how you can create a Ghibli style photo. So using these tools you can create a Ghibli style photo. Also you can create AI image to video. I will show you step by step. Okay, so stay tuned. So if you find this video is helpful and if you want to get this kind of video, so don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.